Welcome to direct variation. So when we have a look at direct variation, we are comparing two variables, and we will look at when one variable increases, the other variable will also increase, or when one decreases, the other one decreases. So an example would be, most of you have jobs, the number of hours you work, the more pay you earn. So more hours, more pay. So the steps with direct variation is that you write an equation relating the two variables. So we write it in the form of y equals k times x, where k is the constant of variation. And then you'll be given some information that will allow you to solve the value of k by substituting values of x and y. And then you finish by writing the equation with the solution for k, and you can solve the problem. So here's an example. So the area A of a shape is directly proportional to the square of its side length S. And then we've given some information. It's saying that when you have a side length of 4, area is 32. And using that, go and find the side length, the area when the side length is 5. So step 1, write an equation using the variable given. So it did say that A varies directly, or is directly proportional, to the square of S. So we write that as A equals KS squared. They gave us that when the area is 32, the side length is 4. So 32 is equal to K times 4 squared. 4 squared 16, divided across, that gives you K equals 2. Step 3, write the equation with the value of K in it. So A equals 2S squared. And finally, solve the equation. 2 times 5 squared, because that's the side length they gave us, that's 50. So when side is 5, the area is 50. Thank you.